I'm going to talk about the immune system today, and I'm going to use this analogy of the plant. Okay. So, first of all, we are leading up to a week of festivities for some people in some countries. And I've just heard somebody say yesterday, actually, I think you've got sniffles, so I don't want you to come in because I don't want to fall ill before Christmas Day, and I don't want to be ill for that week. First of all, what that shows me is we've forgotten about our terrain, our milieu, our internal milieu. So, let me give you an example. This plant is potted and it's got soil, it's got nutrients in the soil, and of course, it requires sunlight. Okay, so first of all, that soil is what we're looking at. We're not looking at, okay, take zinc, take vitamin D, take this, that, and the other. If the soil isn't healthy, you can still fall ill. So imagine this plant, say one of the leaves sort of started becoming, got fungal infection or something. Do you think it's just the issue is with the leaf? Or do you think it's with the whole plant? What we're going to look at is actually, ideally, you talk to a gardener, they'll look at the soil. Okay, what is going on with the soil? So the soil is what feeds the plant, as well as, of course, the sunshine, of course. Now, the soil in you feeds you. Okay, so that soil is your nutrients, your vitamins, your minerals, your carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. And not only that, what is the health like of the stems? Are they then getting nutrients? Are they absorbing water? So that's also your gut. How healthy is your gut? Is it digesting, assimilating, absorbing, microbiome? So all these factors are very important. So when we think of the immune system, and then we just think of zinc, vitamin C, vitamin D, omega-3s, echinacea, you name it. These are still looking at your well-being, at the body on a very superficial level. So your soil is your nutrients, the food on your plate. Okay, so the water you drink, the minerals you get. Also, where does this plant sit? It requires sunlight, but not too much. So the environment that you place yourself in plays a very important role in your health and well-being. So, and this is really common right now, people have deadlines, they've got things to get done before the kids finish school, before the partner finishes their work, or whatever you're doing. You've got deadlines, and then you're going to take 2 weeks off, or a week off, or a few days off, whatever it is. What you're doing is you're going full steam, rushing, and then the last day comes, everybody's ready for the holidays, and then suddenly, come Christmas Day, whether you celebrate it or not, you may be unwell. You might get the flu, you might fall ill, you may get a fever, you may have a full-blown gout attack, whatever it is. And that's because we live in this perpetual cycle of do, get up. And even some people who are really into biohacking, get up, do their infrared, do their grounding thing, take the right supplements, eat the right breakfast, and it's still a to-do list rather than being. So imagine this plant. Imagine I was forcing this plant to bloom by next week before everybody arrives for Christmas, and it has all these flowers. I want 10 flowers by the time everybody arrives on Wednesday. Is that possible? So why do we do that to ourselves? Why do we rush, and then think, right, deadline's done, projects are done, okay, now I'm going to have a whole week off, and then people are surprised that they fall ill. So what's the lead up like? So slow down. Remember, it's not just about how you look on the outside, although that can matter for some people. It's also what's going on the inside and what's going into you and coming out of you. So the soil, the water, the nutrients, the sunlight, the warmth, the environment is really important. I hope this has been helpful. And hopefully you'll see your immune system in a slightly different light, because the immune system isn't just about the immune cells. It's about your gut. It's about the food on your plate. It's about your environment. Where are you living? Who are you living with? What's the environment like? It's also about your nervous system, which will pick up messages. Are you feeling safe? Are you not feeling safe? So all this immune system is like this plant. The pot that it's in, the soil that it's in, the environment that it's in, the water it's being given, the condition of the soil, and also maybe how I talk to the plant as well.